right, guys, so I have finished the little kitchen nook area. I'm gonna go ahead and flip this light on. I also had to add light bulbs in there. Some of them were out. There's a light bulb issue in this house, but I'm getting to each room, getting everything fixed and done. I wanted to go ahead and take you guys through this little area and show you guys, obviously, the updated progress. So to zoom out, this is the area here, and you're basically seeing everything. Didn't really want to make the space overly complicated. It didn't really need anything, you know, too dramatic in my opinion. I feel like the table and the chairs and just the overall white of everything just does all the talking for this space. So I'll go ahead and tell you guys, this is my favorite rug. As you watch videos from me and decorating videos, you're gonna see this pretty much through every room in the downstairs. So here it is. It is on the more pricier side, but I'll link it down below. It's from Amazon. The chairs are from Grandin Road. That's another thing you're gonna see in my other videos. You're going to see that this is the same furniture that's gonna be throughout the entire house as well. So if you missed my media room decorate with me, I'll link it down below. That's the same furniture like brand. This is the Ava slipcover essentially. So these are the Ava slipcover chairs, and I knew I wanted to have this like white chair concept. So this is different from the type of chairs you would normally see, I guess, on my channel. So I feel like this is kind of an upgrade. This table also is really going to speak to the color of the wood that you're going to see as well. Absolutely love this color combination with the black, with the greenery. And then I just had this, I actually have a set of 2 of these in the Florida house because I bought these off of Amazon. I'll link it down below as well. It needs some fluffing because it's been in moving boxes, but I bought 2 of them, and in the Florida house, they were like on either side of my living room TV. It's not gonna work in this space that way, so I'm repurposing it as a centerpiece here, which I love. The camera, unfortunately, is really not, I think that's better. Like you can really kind of see without the orangey light, just how the freshness of the green, just, I don't know, I feel like it's a breath of fresh air in this space. Then I repurposed this home decor sign, which is really ironic because I didn't think I was going to go in this route at all. I actually had a completely different vision for decorating. I thought I was going to go in a more modern route, not so much farmhouse. I was thinking more like organic modern farmhouse, but now I feel like I'm more organic farmhouse with just a little hint of modern with me using black essentially. So I'm very surprised that I kept this as the point because I got rid of everything in Florida because I thought I was going to decorate in a whole new style. So when I was going through my stuff, I found this, which I've had. I thought it would be perfect right here. I felt like this little wall needed something, and I think this is the perfect touch. And then when we go over here, now this is kind of a funny story. I have this painting, but I got rid of it. I sold it in Florida. And then I came back and I was at Hobby Lobby and I just was like, what are you doing with your life that you're rebuying the same thing you already own? But again, I really thought I was gonna go in a completely different route. I didn't think I wanted to have this artwork, but as I was shopping for modern artwork, I realized it just wasn't me. No matter how much I wanted it to be me, it's not me. I love something about like a landscape print like this. It just gets me. I don't know. Slap a cottage or a bridge or a random tree in artwork and it just sends me to the freaking moon. So you know what? Here I am coming back to these roots and I feel good about it. Now that I kind of really know, I think what I was missing before in my decor were touches of black, and that I'm very happy with. Obviously, you're not seeing black in this particular space, but you will see it as we move further into the house in my other videos. And then this piece too, I sold, LOL, sold it in Florida, and then bought it again at Hobby Lobby. So this is Hobby Lobby, here we are. Kept it simple. I could put some type of furniture piece in here. You can see the walls, not great. but you know, it's a rental. I'm not really gonna mess with it right now. But I love the white matte of this. I just think it pulls in the chair and it just makes it so fresh. Over in this corner, I kept this planter, I guess, but it's kind of like a whatever, I don't know if that's ceramic, but this was in my living room in the last house. You saw in the videos I was decorating, I grabbed a limb from outside one of the trees. It didn't work. I didn't like it at all. I did do this actually in my Florida house. I went into my backyard, cut one of my branches off, and I loved it. But that particular style of tree branch just worked. The trees that I'm working with in this backyard, they just didn't work for this. But that is a hack that you can do. You can get your own branch, and then you can even go buy like stems of green and strap it to the branches. I've seen lots of decorators do this trick because sometimes you don't want a tree that's like full like this. See how many branches there are? Sometimes you want maybe like 1 or 2, 3, 4, you know, branches and kind of keep it simple. That's a hack you can definitely do. Go into nature or something, find a dead branch, bring it in, and then you can just essentially like strap these like single pick, you know, branches from Hobby Lobby of your choice. You can even change them out as well. Get a dead branch and then change the greenery out for the seasons. But because I wanted to kind of finish this video for today, I ordered this olive tree. To be fair, it's actually going in my bedroom. But for now, we're just gonna put it here for the concept, especially since my room really isn't ready for this tree anyways. So I wanted you guys to kind of at least get the general idea of what this space is gonna look like. I do, however, want to find a dead big branch and kind of go that route for this particular corner. Anyways, that is actually gonna be it for today. I wish I could show you guys. You can kind of see a sneak peek of like green apples and stuff here, but the kitchen is a mess. I'm packaging my book order, so it's just not gonna be part of today's video, but that is coming soon as well. I just have to put together my bar stools and then the kitchen's finished, so you guys will kind of see these two connecting spaces together, and I hope you're going to love it. So stay tuned, click subscribe. Oh, I didn't tell you guys, this table's from Nebraska Furniture Mart. FYI, I really love the base of it, just to kind of show you guys. That's really kind of what sold me, even though with these chairs, you can't really see them that well just because they're like fabric chairs, but absolutely love this table. And this is the space. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.